Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light up Baskin Robbins snow globe. For this, guys, I took a empty bottle of spaghetti sauce. I hot glue gunned a Baskin Robbins spoon right to the lid. I actually used these Baskin Robbins spoons on another project. I believe it was a rubber band gun. I have a few of them. I hot glue gunned a red finger light to the top of the bottle. And I put red and purple glitter in here. Well, actually pink to match this spoon. And that's basically it, guys. That's the do-it-yourself light up Baskin Robbins snow globe. This is really cool. As you can see, we collect snow globes in the background. We'll add this to our collection. Always be original, creative, and explosive, guys. See things that other people don't see and make cool things like this. This is awesome. The do-it-yourself light up Baskin Robbins snow globe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of this do-it-yourself light up Baskin Robbins snow globe, which is really awesome. Dr. Fish out.